Fredegrund by Lioba Brückner in 60 by 93 cm squares, special treatment version 3. We have tangerine pearls that we have sprinkled on the orange areas of the paintings. So we've got these areas over here as well as the wings of the butterflies. Simply sprinkle it on all of the areas that you see closely resemble tangerine or the tangerine pearls that you get. Version 2 is violet pearls sprinkled on her hair as well as on portions of her cuff and over here as well, a part of her necklace. It's like a feather necklace. And version 3 is periwinkle pearls, all in squares, and these are sprinkled on all of the blue areas that we see on the canvas. So simply sprinkle your pearls on the colors that closely match them, and you will get a similar effect.